Okay, so hey guys, this is just a quick little video. I have no idea what that was, but unfortunately it's just me for this tiny little video because Chloe is off learning and educating herself, but she's not doing it herself. She's being taught how to educate. No, she's being educated and taught at the same time, but that's the same thing. Anyway, I just wanted to go over a quick little video. Basically, this is about me. This is my time to shine. But yeah, one thing that I've been meaning to do very recently, for a long time, I don't know how to talk. So something that I've been meaning to do for a long ass time is to get rid of this lens. Well, not necessarily get rid of, but replace it is a better word to use. Now I do have, hang on a minute. Oh shit. I do have these two little lenses. So I've got obviously the kit lens, the 18 to 55mm that came with my 650D, which has the crappy autofocus that is in manual focus all the time because it's broken. And I have this vintage, old vintage lens, which is the Olympus Zuiko MC Auto S. Yeah, it's one of the older Olympus lenses, 50mm f1.8, which is pretty cool. Honestly, I don't actually use it that much. I'm not actually entirely sure why. If you want to see a video of this, then comment down below. I probably will make one anyway. I don't use this as much as I probably could because I have another one that kind of fights for my love, which is this one. This is the uber famous and uber known about Helios 44-2, 44-2, whatever, however you want to say it. A lot of people say it differently to how I say it. I say 442. So if you ever get confused, just comment, because I will always refer to this as 442. Can I see you? Oh, I can see you. Can you see me? Ooh, can you see me? I'm trying to like look through this and look at you at the same time. I can see you. Hello. Yeah, this isn't working. But yeah, this is the Helios 442. Oh, I forgot to say the Olympus is 50mm, and this is 58mm, I believe. Where am I looking? I don't think it actually says anywhere at all, actually, on this lens. No, it doesn't. But it is, trust me, words. Mark my words. That sounds like a threat. Trust me when I say that this old-ass lens is in fact 58mm. Now, because I'm on a 650D, which has the APS-C crop sensor, crop factor, this technically classes as 91mm or something like that.
58 times 1.6 is 92.8.
92.8mm, full frame equivalent. And the Helios is f2.
50 times 1.6 is 80.
Oh, so this is basically an 80. Oh, this is an 80. These I mainly use for portrait lenses. So this 442 Helios 442, this Helios 442 is what I use for pretty much 90% of my photography. I won't go into much detail now because this isn't a review. I'm planning to do one soon. Videos on these two coming through soon, so I won't go into too much detail. But I'm fucking fed up with this lens right here. Because mainly because the autofocus doesn't work on it and I have to keep manually adjusting it. And two, because it only goes to 55mm. Now, my Helios is 48mm, which is technically further than 55. It's not technically at all, it is further than 55. And I want to start shooting like far away distances, like events and stuff like that. And you can't really get anywhere in photography without some sort of zoom distance more than 50mm. So I went on the good old Google and found a fair few lenses, but I tried to find the cheapest one because I'm skint. Please hire me for a photography gig. Now the thing is with buying a zoom lens is most of the good ones are like 70 to 300, 16 to 300, but all of the zoom ranges are one, really expensive, or two, they don't have like wide open that goes into zoom, except this one that I found, and it's the cheapest one I could find, and it's also secondhand. So yeah, but I also kind of wanted not only the zoom range, but I also wanted the 18mm or somewhere like wide enough so that I can just hold it and have a nice wide background for doing vlogs and stuff. vlogs and stuff. That's rather vague, isn't it? Hence why I didn't just go for the 70 to 300, because there's a fair few cheap ones of that focal range. But I was also thinking about how 18mm on both this lens and that lens is the widest focal range that I can have. And I was also looking at Canon's own, hang on, what is it? 10 to 18mm f4, I don't really care about the aperture, but it's 10 to 18mm, which is wide as, I'm not going to say that. So there's kind of two focal ranges there that I could go for, because I've also started to take a jump and a leap and a, no, what was it? A hop, skip and a jump into landscape photography recently. Now that 10mm, this 18mm is alright, don't get me wrong. For landscapes, it's alright. Yeah, but this 10mm would work a lot better. Not only that, but I can, if it's too wide, then I can zoom to 18mm, and I know that 18mm isn't actually that bad. So it's kind of like, oh here, and I think this Canon one that I'm looking at is the best 10 to 18mm for the money. So it's a choice. I'll show you. I'll give you a quick look. But yeah, there's the flower photography thing. You've probably already seen it, but this is what the timeline looks like. Yeah, there's a fair few amount of clips there. So this is the lens that I'm looking at. The Tamron 18 to 200 f3.5 to 6.3 di2 VC. Now there is obviously a 3, but it's more expensive. And you can see CEX, it is only 95 squid. We sell for 95 squid, which is a bargain, especially when you've got no money. Now the other one I was looking at was this, the Canon, Canon EFS 10 to 18mm f4.5 IST and blah blah blah, which looks a lot like a Canon lens actually. No shit, it is a Canon lens. This is, as you can see, 175 pins. So, which one do I go for? Do I go for the zoomable lens? Is that a word? Or the ultra wide? Zoom or ultra wide? Zoom, ultra wide, zoom, ultra wide, zoom, ultra wide. So, I'm going to leave you on a cliffhanger. I am not going to tell you which one I'm going to buy. See, see, this is exactly what I mean. Just for like purposes of getting a new lens and why, I've put my camera on the autofocus. Now there is, I can see on the screen, you can't, there is a box over my face, but I'm not in focus. Okay, now I am, but you can hear it. That's the main issue that I found. It's like actual elements of the glass outside externally move and you can hear it, and it's a loud ass motor. I think that's honestly one of the main reasons why I'm getting a new lens, why I'm so like to get a new lens, mainly because of the fact that my autofocus is broke and it doesn't work anymore and it's just terrible all around. And even if the next one of either one of the two I buy, you don't know which one, I don't even care if it's as slow as this. I mean, it probably won't be because this is an old lens and with an old autofocus system and motor. I don't even care if it's this slow. It's the noise that annoys me. Haha, jokes. And also the fact that the front bit actually moves. So I've also been thinking about getting ND filters, because it's coming up to summer now and most of our videos are going to be filmed very, very, very shortly because I'm basically off college, off education now for a long time until summer is over and I have to go back onto my level 3 photography of course. And Chloe is basically the same. She's got time left until she leaves. Summer is coming up and we're going to have all the time in the world to film all the videos we want. Like, here's one video, here's another video, here's another video, sneak peek. I'll show you that. I kind of don't want to give away too much, but that's another video that I'm going to make. Is there anything else in here that I'm going to make? I don't know. Okay, I'm going to turn my autofocus off. I'm so sorry about that. I honestly forgot it was on, to be honest. So, yeah, I'm going to buy this right now. I want to buy this item. I would have if I actually clicked it. So guys, I'm sorry that this whole video was my ugly mug in the entire thing, but it's just because I'm getting a new lens and I'm so excited. I've been wanting this lens for ages and now I finally got the money. So yeah, I just wanted to tease you a bit. Don't worry, there'll be a video. You'll know what it is next. Hopefully the next video actually has the other half of this channel. I'm actually going to go now because I've been talking for a long ass time for like 20 minutes. So yeah, see you later. In the description there'll be a link to the video of the review soon, okay? Soon. It's coming. It's coming. It's coming. I gotta get off this chat because I'm on my knees. So, I'll see you later. Bye!